I have been expecting this complaint, and now we are in the proper forum to prove the baselessness of his allegations. I now have the opportunity to answer him point by point before the Ombudsman and not on media anymore. I will cooperate with the investigation and abide by its legal processes. The truth will be revealed and believe that justice and fairness shall prevail. I hope that the Ombudsman will be fair. Ulitin ko lang po, I am one with the Filipinos in this crusade against corruption. Kasama niyo po ako. Labanan po natin ang korupsyon. Ikulong po ang mga kurakot at mga magnanakaw. Ikulong na ang mga buhaya, kasuhan, at ikulong na ang mga buhaya at mga mastermind.